our sugarcane juicer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 17 3/4 inches, a depth of 14 1/4 inches, and a height of 33 1/2 inches tall with wheels. Coming to the left side will be an area to insert your sugarcane, and the diameter of this area will include 2 1/2 inches. Inside the machine will be gears that will compress your sugarcane and dispense into juice. So after the sugarcane is inserted, coming to the bottom is where you can dispense your juice. On top will be a filtration system or a drip pan. The filter can be removed for cleaning and dispensing. Measurements for the filter will include 6 inches in length by 10 1/2 inches in depth. And the filter can be reinserted back into its position. On the bottom is a bottom tray, and the measurement for this tray will include 10 inches in length by 5 1/2 inches in depth. So after the sugarcane is inserted from the front, it will be dispensed towards the back where you can collect and dump it out. Last but not least, this unit uses a 110/120 connection. Coming to the side will be the information on the sugarcane machine. An instruction manual will be provided. Coming to the side will be a knob to operate the sugarcane machine. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.